Summer is here. We love to enjoy the great outdoors. Hiking trails, parks, and backyards beckon us. We breathe in the fresh air, we feel the sun on our skin, but hidden dangers may lurk in these beautiful places. Ticks and mosquitoes thrive in these environments. They are small creatures, but they can transmit serious diseases. These diseases can have long-term health consequences. It is crucial to be aware of these threats. We can enjoy the outdoors safely. Let's learn about tick and mosquito-borne diseases. We can protect ourselves and our loved ones. Ticks and mosquitoes are not just annoying pests. They are vectors of numerous diseases that can affect both humans and animals. This means they can transmit harmful pathogens directly into the bloodstream. These pathogens can cause a variety of illnesses in humans, some of which can be quite severe. Lyme disease is one of the most common tick-borne illnesses in the United States. It can cause symptoms such as fever, fatigue, and a characteristic bullseye-shaped rash. Other notable tick-borne diseases include Rocky Mountain spotted fever and the Powassan virus. Mosquitoes, on the other hand, are known to transmit diseases like West Nile virus, Zika virus, and dengue fever. These mosquito-borne diseases can cause a wide range of symptoms. Common symptoms include fever, headache, rash, and muscle pain, which can vary in intensity. In severe cases, these diseases can lead to serious complications, including neurological issues and even death. These diseases do not discriminate and can affect people of all ages and backgrounds. Therefore, it is crucial to take precautions when spending time outdoors, such as using insect repellent and wearing protective clothing. Prevention is key to staying healthy and avoiding these potentially dangerous diseases. Understanding the habits of ticks and mosquitoes helps us avoid them. Ticks live in grassy, wooded areas. They latch on to passing humans or animals. They burrow into the skin and feed on blood. Mosquitoes breed in standing water. This includes puddles, ponds, and even containers with stagnant water. They are most active at dawn and dusk. They are attracted to light and body heat. Knowing where these insects live helps us minimize risk. We can avoid areas with high tick populations. We can eliminate standing water around our homes. Section 4. Shielding yourself. Effective prevention strategies against bites. When venturing outdoors, especially in areas known for ticks and mosquitoes, it's essential to take preventive measures. Protecting ourselves from tick and mosquito bites is crucial. These insects can carry diseases that pose serious health risks. Insect repellents containing DEET are effective. They provide a strong defense against bites. Apply them to exposed skin and clothing. Wear light-colored clothing to make it easier to spot ticks. This makes it easier to spot ticks. Regularly check your clothing and skin for any signs of these pests. Tuck pants into socks when hiking. This creates a barrier that helps prevent ticks from reaching your skin. After spending time outdoors, check for ticks. It's important to be thorough in your inspection. Pay attention to hidden areas. Ticks often hide in places like the scalp, armpits, and groin. These include the scalp, armpits, and groin. Showering soon after being outdoors can wash away unattached ticks. Showering soon after being outdoors can wash away unattached ticks. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of tick-borne diseases. Maintaining our yards can also reduce tick populations. Keeping our outdoor spaces tidy is a key preventive measure. Keep grass short and remove leaf litter. These actions help create a less hospitable environment for ticks. Enjoy your outdoor activities with peace of mind, knowing you've taken steps to protect yourself and your loved ones. Section 5. Recognizing the warning signs. Common symptoms to watch out for. It's crucial to be vigilant and aware of the signs. Early detection of tick and mosquito-borne diseases is vital. This can make a significant difference in outcomes. It allows for prompt treatment, which can prevent the disease from progressing. Be aware of common symptoms. Recognizing them early can be life-saving. Lyme disease often presents with a bullseye rash. This distinctive mark is a key indicator. Other symptoms include fever, headache, fatigue, and muscle aches. These can often be mistaken for the flu. Rocky Mountain spotted fever can cause fever, headache, and a rash that starts on the wrists and ankles. This rash can spread quickly. West Nile virus can cause fever, headache, body aches, and fatigue. These symptoms can be severe and debilitating. Severe cases can lead to meningitis or encephalitis. These are serious conditions that require immediate medical attention. Zika virus often causes mild symptoms. However, it should not be taken lightly. but it can cause severe birth defects if contracted during pregnancy. This makes it particularly dangerous for expectant mothers. If you experience any of these symptoms after a tick or mosquito bite, see a doctor immediately. Early intervention is key. Early diagnosis and treatment can prevent serious complications. Don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Section 6. Stay informed, stay safe. Your health is in your hands. Protecting ourselves from tick and mosquito-borne diseases is an ongoing effort. Stay informed about the latest health advisories. Follow these preventive measures. By taking simple precautions, we can safely enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. Remember, your health is in your hands. Stay safe and enjoy the summer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Like this video if you found it helpful.